Hello everyone, today's pronunciation lesson is about the j sound. I want you to read this word. Do you read it as jacket? Do you say jacket or jacket? Which one do you think is right? Jacket or jacket? Yes, it's the second one, jacket. And why so? Because the letter J makes the sound j. J. And if you have a look here, you will find that the J sound is made of two sounds, D and J together. So, J, J. So, don't say jacket. It's not right to say jacket. You have to say jacket, jacket, J, J. So, the J sound is not J like measure, and it's also not ch like chair. Okay, so let's practice together. J, 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 jacket. Okay, let's read some more words like jacket, jar, jar, j sound, j, jar, jelly, مش jelly, 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 and jungle, jungle, مش jungle or jungle. Again, we have j sound, and also we have a dark L sound. Ooh, ooh, jungle, 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 ooh sound. Okay. Now let's practice the j sound in sentences. So let's read together. I like your jacket. Number 2. He drinks. He drinks. DR make the sound j. So add a very soft j in between. J. Drinks juice every morning. Morning. Sound, a nasal sound. Number 3. The kids jumped. مش jumped. Jumped. The ed sound with voiceless sounds. You make the t sound. So jump, jumped. Okay. So the kids jumped on the trampoline. Trampoline. Tr. TR make the sound tr. Number 4. I ate jelly on toast. OA make the sound O. O. Not oo. Toast. No. Toast. Number 5. We saw or we saw. Both are right. So American accent is saw. We saw a tiger. Tiger in the jungle. Jungle. And don't forget the dark L sound. Ooh, not leh, jungle. No, jungle. Number 6. The jeep drove through the mud. Number 7. Can you open the jar for me? Number 8. She went for a jog in the park. Number 9, that was a funny joke. Not joke, joke, O sound. Number 10, I spread jam on my bread. That's it for today. Thank you so much.